guys, and welcome to another tutorial of AquaFlameCMS. Today we shall be showing you how to install the AquaFlameCMS version 1 and how to download it and to set up the Armory. First of all, you want to go to the aquaflame.org. From there, you want to go to AquaFlameCMS 1.0 and select About. After selecting About, you will be redirected to this page. You want to go down and press Download it. By pressing Download it, it will redirect you to the repository of GitHub. There, if you have GitHub for Windows, you can select Clone in Windows, or you can press Download Zip. Now you want to press the zip. This will start a download, but we're not gonna download because we already have it. So after it's done, you want to redirect to your downloads. Let's minimize Google Chrome. Then what you got to do is you want to open the zip, take the AquaFlameCMS master, go back, unzip it, and you want to copy this out. After this is done, you want to go to Computer, redirect to whatever your Apache directory is. If you're using Apache, if you're using Apache, you want to go to the htdocs and take whatever is inside the folder AquaFlameCMS master. You want to grab all these, select them, and then paste them inside your htdocs. For now, I'm using AppServ. So what we gotta do is we want to navigate where AppServ is. I've got it inside my program files. AppServ and www. So what you want to do is to paste it inside here. Once you've pasted AquaFlame inside here, you want to find the file called configs.php. You will open this with Notepad++. If you don't have it, please download it. It's gonna be in the description. When you've downloaded it, you want to open this file, and what you see here is the configuration. The only thing you need to change from here is the MySQL and some things of the extras and community links. And some of the important, which is the title, slogan and address. Okay, the first thing here is server address. If you are hosting the website on your local machine, you want to leave it as it is. If you are hosting it on another web server, then you want to connect it, but AquaFlameCMS 1 doesn't have that feature yet, so you will leave it as it is. The next thing you want to do is the user. This is where it says root. You will put your MySQL user. For me, it's root. Then you want to put your MySQL password. For me, I'm just gonna leave it password. And the server, the MySQL port, which is where this will be connected. The default one is the one that you see, 3306. The next thing you want to do is the server DB. This is the website database. If you create another database, for example, let me show you. I'm using HeidiSQL. That's the one that I recommend. It's easy to use. For example, my database is called website, and that's why I'm gonna leave it as it is website. So what you need to do is let's basically delete this and start from the beginning. So we make a database and we call it website. It has to be UTF-8 general CI.
Hello.
So we're gonna leave it as it is right now. You press OK, the database is created. If we open it, it's empty. So we're gonna press refresh, so it's closed. And what you need to do now is you want to go to the SQL, you want to go to query, and you will take the file called AquaFlameCMS SQL version 7. If a new version comes out, it will be in the patch versions or in a folder called updates. For now, we don't have any updates. So after you've got this in the query, you want to run it. You run it after you have selected website. After it's done, it will give you this small message. Just ignore this. You open if you open it and it's empty, that's a lie. We're gonna refresh, and there you have it. It's right in here. So let's continue before we go to the configuration of the SQL to our configs file. This is the authentication for your server. Yeah, in order to make the website work, you must have the 3 world databases. The authentication, which is auth, realmd, whatever core or emulation you're using, characters, and world. So I've got this here, auth, characters, and world. It's the same here. If you got a different name, just put the name right here. I'm just gonna leave it off for now. The next thing we want to do is we want to edit the rim list.
Hello.
The rim list is simple. It's what the users will use. For example, log on aquaflame.org. And then the name of the realm, which for me is gonna be AquaFlame. The MySQL code, you don't want to touch this. It's for the language system. The next thing we got here, I see a small part here, is the community links. In the community links, you want to add your Facebook link, your Twitter link, and if you have the YouTube channel, your YouTube channel link. It's simple as that. And the community will be instantly connected with these 3. Let's go now to the important section. Right here,
Hello.
you've got the website title, which is gonna be your title. For example, I'm just gonna leave it at, I'm gonna put AquaFlameCMS 1.0. Your slogan, for now we don't have functionality about that, but we will add, so make your slogan and just wait till we release something on that. Your website address, you want to leave it localhost if you're using localhost off, or you can use aquaflame.org so some pages will connect. And the website root. Now the website root is a bit tricky. On the website root, for example, if I move all of my files, I'm gonna grab this and make a new folder, site, and for example, I've got my page here, my main page, which says hello, or like another website, which will redirect here to the site, the WoW site. You just want to put it, you just want to put this site / or without a slash. It's not a problem. Or if you have the website as it is inside your www folder, then you want to leave it as just a slash. Okay, and do not touch anything else from the configs. After we're done with the configs, we want to go to the SQL. We want to open our website database, and we want to go to realms. Now there's already a basic one here which you can edit. That's the world DB, it's called world. The characters DB, card DB, which is called characters. The version of the WoW that we're using, I'm using 434A. The drop rate and the experience rate. Next, you want to go to servers. Now, to the servers, you want to, it's how many servers you got. So, I've got only one. I'm gonna put AquaFlame. The host is 127.0.0.1, which is the local host. The username of the MySQL, the password, and the database of the server. If you have multiple servers, you want to do something similar that I'm gonna do right now. So if you have multiple servers, you create another one. You put the name AquaFlame2. You're hosting it locally. So point 1, root, password, and then let's say world 2. I'm just gonna remove that because I don't have anything, I don't have another server and I don't want to be any errors on, so I'm just gonna delete it. After having this done, let's go now to the vote. Now on the vote here, this is the vote. This is for the vote panel. The first one is the ID. If you have only one vote site, you want to put the first one, and then let's say extreme wow and HTTP and the link, the vote link. So it has to be something like extremewow.com/vote PHP1, I don't know, something like that. And the description like if you vote to this link, you get +1 points, for example. I don't know what's that. Anyway, that should be. And let's check something else. Oh, okay, yeah, here. This is the rewards for the vote shop. This is basically an alpha version that we're testing right now, but you might want to test this. So you put your server, which is the AquaFlame, name, let's say Relentless, just the item ID, and put gold. I don't know, maybe you want to put gold as a reward. And the price, the vote price, which you wanna put it on the top. So I'm gonna put it 5 for now. And that should be all, basically. Nothing else to change. Well, I feel that I need to show you how the slideshows work. But it's not hard, it's super simple. And many people ask for this. So, how the slideshows work? If you go to the folder of where the website is and you navigate to images, you go to you go here where it says excuse me, not here, slideshows. These are the slideshows. So you take the name. I'm gonna take the recruit, for example. I'm gonna make the ID, we're gonna put it 1, recruit. Description, get a free recruit. The image that we just copied, which is recruit.jpg, and a link where you want to redirect if you click the slideshow. I'm just gonna leave it like that because we don't care right now. Sounds, that's something that we're gonna add soon. Basically that's all from the SQL, what you need to do. Okay, let's close this, refresh it, okay, and close it. Now, Now that this is done, you want to go to the classes. Inside here, you will open with Notepad++ again the file called Armory class PHP. Can you see it? Armory class PHP. Okay. So, edit with Notepad, and you want to navigate a bit down, and you will see here which says public function contract name. Well, to make the Armory work, you want to go here. Okay, localhost, it's similar to the configs as you've seen. You can see the server address, the server user, the server path, the server port, and the website, characters and world. You want to put, what is it here? Root, password, localhost, or 127.1.0, and do the same here. So where it says host, arrow, inside here you will put 127.0.0.1. You want to do the same underneath. So where it says localhost, replace it. Now you don't touch that, you only touch what's after the arrow. Leave it username, and where it says root, put the username of your MySQL. For me, it's root. Same down. Where it says password, you don't touch that, you change the password which is after the arrow. So right here. For me, it's password, so I'm gonna leave it password. Now the characters and the world, it's about the same, so I'm not gonna repeat myself. After this is done, save it. Excuse me for a sec. Yep. Okay, you save it, you close it, and let's see our beautiful website now. It should be complete. So, localhost to view our website. And there you go. You have the website. Fully loaded and nice. Okay. Now, we don't have any news, but we have our recruit. As we can see, get a free recruit. The website is working, the realm status, the logon, the account that's registered, which is 1, uptime, and all the good stuff we edited. Drop XP, experience, type, PDP. Okay. Let me log out. And something is wrong. Give me a second. That's something I didn't see. Excuse me guys for a sec. I'm gonna cut the video here, fix it, and I'll be back. Okay guys, we're back. It wasn't something biggie, it was a glitch. Just fixed it. And yeah, so we have our website working and we want to do some news. Let's go now to HeidiSQL, or basically not. Let's log in with, oh, there's it's just a glitch, ignore it. It's my browser. Okay, so we are gonna log in. And we want to go to the admin panel, so we're gonna write admin. It's gonna log in automatically if you're an admin, and write news. Okay, let's add the title. Tutorial. Now, if you click on the images, this pop-up will appear, and you can select your image. I'm gonna use the Armory for now. And this is the YouTube AquaFlame tutorial on how to install AquaFlameCMS 1.0. Okay. Now after you're done writing your message for the news, just save changes. The new has been created successfully. That's strange. But anyway, and you can see where it says latest news posts. You can see here that you can edit it, delete it, the title and the description. Yeah, if it has any replies, it will also say the replies, but there aren't any. So let's click here on the monitor and view the website. Let's go back.
Hello.
There's the glitch again. Okay, and you can see that that our new post is created. Basically, that should be all for now. If you have any more questions, please comment down or navigate to AquaFlameCMS.org. There will be a new menu somewhere here, or you can go to the blog, select AquaFlameCMS 1 and write a topic if you have any problems, or you can navigate to our aquaflame.org/forum and create an account and make a new post there. Well, that should be all for today. Thank you for watching, and see you next week with another tutorial about AquaFlameCMS 1. Have a nice day.